So today's outfit is for chores around the house. I'm about to go to the supermarket. It's like 8 AM in the morning. I've got on some Jazz and Wow earrings, a ready to wear t-shirt I've had for ages, and so this is one of my Spaghetti Western Henrietta skirts. It's made in a cotton slub, so it's super light. It's that really muggy, sticky weather today where it's grey, but you can feel the intensity of the heat, and it's just muggy, and this is just perfect for floating about in. And I just chucked on my sandals I put on with almost everything at this time of year. So today I'm going to do a bit of sewing. I've got some household chores to do, but I'll just show you what came in the post. So, just get a little up close view for you there. I've been doing a pattern test, might be out by the time this video is out, but a pattern test for Tammy Handmade of her new knicker pattern. And so I thought I would try out some different things. So this is like stretch rickrack. This is like Pico but fold over elastic. Look at this fold over elastic, look at that. So just some other ones to try, and it said plum, but that is more burgundy than plum to me. But just some nice ones to try there, because yeah, might get time this weekend. I think I've made 7 pairs now. There's 2 waist heights, but I've been doing some adjustments as well and trying different things so I can give Tammy some really good feedback. So I better go and get on, and I'll see you for another day. So, it's a working from home day. It's hot again. The room I work in, the sun shines on it in the afternoon. So I'm wearing these shorts that I made, which I regret not putting pockets in. I used a different fabric for the waistband because this was left over from that quilted jacket I made. You're going to ask me what pattern they are, aren't you? It's one of my trouser patterns I like. It could be the Chanterelle, it could be the Big 4 one I use, and I just cropped it off. Perfect shorts, second-hand t-shirt with Animal on from the Muppets, and I kind of rotate around vest tops and things, but these are possibly the most comfy shorts I own actually. But I just have regrets that there's no pockets. I suppose I could put some back patch pockets on if I've got any fabric left. Up until last year, I was not a fan of shorts. But now I think I realise it's because the shorts didn't fit me around the bum. I don't love my thighs, but days like this call for a pair of shorts. And it means I can switch out the top if I need to look smarter for a work meeting. But I'm as cool as I can on my bottom half. This is definitely cotton as well. What we want in a pair of shorts is really natural fibres as well. I don't want anything clinging or sticking to me. So it's going to be a real video about when it's had. So, for today's work from home, I am wearing a Sovi sundress by Sew House 7. This one is made of a duvet cover, and you'll be able to see the two-tone effect. I also made another one last year out of double gauze, which is just gorgeously swishy. But my problem is the shoulder straps are stretching out a bit, so I need to take it in a bit. But this one fits perfectly. I like the fact that it has bust darts at the front, super swishy, has a frill at the bottom. You can do an elastic waist, but honestly on a hot day like this, I don't want anything touching me. So, just planning my outfit for tomorrow because I'm in the office again and it's going to be hot again tomorrow. So I don't know about you, but I don't like being cold in aircon, like going into the supermarket. So I'm going to take this very lightweight denim blazer just so that I've got something for in the aircon. But let me get what I'm going to wear. So I'm going to wear this dress, which is a seam work Benning dress that I've recently made. That's a free pattern. This fabric was from the swaps table at the Southern Social. Thank you to lovely Helen for this. And I added in waist ties. So it's a perfect swishy dress, nothing tight. But because it is really quite bright, I love bright colours, but sometimes I want to sort of tone down. So I'm thinking of going with a wooden necklace and some wooden earrings with my tan sandals again. I seem to wear those every day at the moment. Never find the earrings I want when I want them. Oh, here they are. So they're just like this. Because that means everything else is quite natural with the lovely brightness, and I think that works well. If I had that colour sandal I'd wear them, but I don't, and I'm not buying any more shoes. So for today's outfit I am off to the office. So I have some of my charity shop pizza, some blue earrings. This is one of my Tummy Handmade Nayas that I made in woven. This is like a cotton lawn that I got last year, and I've made matching wide leg trousers. On my bottom half I have these are the So Liberated Arthur pants that I'm quite significantly slimmed down. They're still very barrel leg. And they've got lovely flat felled seams on the front and the back and a nice pocket, and I made them in like a cotton linen so they are when it's hot. So I'm off to the office in this outfit. I will just put on some sandals, like a lovely like sort of enclosed foot sandal, not some sort of flimsy thing. And I'm just enjoying being able to wear lovely summery colours and fabrics. These are both things that I made for my holiday for last October, so it was really nice to be able to get them out and enjoy them. I thought I would go for blue rather than orange earrings, just because rather than it just being a bit too orange, because the trousers are quite orange, but with like a sort of natural tan sandal, I think that that will sort of really help sort of tone it all into like that summery vibe. Today's work from home is shorts again. Not me made, but bought in M&S last year, and I love how much width there is around the thigh. So I am definitely going to make a pair of these. I'm going to look at which like jeans pattern I've made and which ones to do, because there's no like squeezing of the thighs, and it's a stretched denim. It's just a really good shape, so I will be replicating them. Not even sure who I am wearing shorts. Two days working from home, and I even wandered outside in these. I've got on a jersey tank, which is the free Largo tank pattern. I just made it in this Nerida Handsome fabric from last year and added some ribbing. I probably should top stitch it, but I just wear it at home and it's great just to throw on. So these are all natural fibres, and yeah, I'm not even sure who I am talking about making myself a pair of denim shorts. Do let me know if you've got a nice denim short pattern. I'd really hope that the Pietra pants might be a good one, but I'm yet to crack that pattern. Lovely Claire of Loves Red Sews has made a gorgeous Pietra pair of shorts, and I know Jess has as well. But let me know, have you come across a great trouser pattern that's good for like a denim short pattern, or any other pattern, hit me up, as they say, because really would like to make myself a pair in like a different colour. I've got some lilac stretch denim. Imagine that with these and a pair of shorts. So this is literally what I'm going to rock around the house in today, because I'm not putting anything else on my body in this weather. So I'm just planning my outfit for tomorrow. I really like to try and do it the night before, because I don't have to rush around in the morning. So I'm back in the office again 3 days this week. It will be the Westcliff dress in this fabric that I bought in Brighton in Cloth Control, and I know Julie went and then sorted it out. I'm taking this green cardigan with me. I'm likely to need it, but aircon, so I'm going to wear that. I did the tie belt for it as well. Now, I messaged Friday Pattern Company and I found out that it is one of their retired patterns, the Westcliff dress. So if you like it, you need to find it somewhere and get it, because once it's gone, it's gone. And I know that there are still paper pattern versions in shops. It is one of my absolute favourite patterns, and last time I put this on, my other half said to me, he said, that is one of my favourite dresses on you. I'm in the middle of making my third one right now. Lovely Sam, I say Let's Sparkle with Sam. She gave some good instructions about it. It's got like a little mini yoke here, and how she did almost like an FBA adjustment on it. Love this pattern. I'm really sad that they're not like offering it like digitally anymore. I don't know why, because it's so great. It's one of the best faux wrap jersey dress patterns I've ever come across. Earring wise, I'm going with these, because obviously the pops of pink, perfect. These are a sapphire frills pair, and they were like in the subscriber box, so you can't get them unless you like got the subscriber. They're peonies. And I will be wearing a different sandal. I have some black sandals, which are like, they're almost like those Roman style sandals, but the fabric's like stretchy, so it's really nice because it like supports your feet, but sort of moves with your feet. Sorry, I can hear a train again. So I'll be wearing black sandals for a change. And I'm not wearing any necklaces or anything, because in this hot weather I don't like too much on me as well. So this will be my final one. It is a slightly thicker fabric because tomorrow is supposed to be a little bit cooler. Not cold, but cooler. So I thought this would work quite well. So hopefully I don't regret my decision there. Right, I'm off to cook dinner.